Exclusive. Exclusive. Exclusive.
So anything you want to serve for the week, you understand me, I say, brother?
Yeah, KFC, no, Burger King. Yeah, can buy some snacks, you know.
Snacks and KFC. I get this thing from another. Worst me have your mama to give a food to.
I love money, you see, man. How that? Push guy! That boy have there. Yo, push guy! Yo! Where I did? Where I did from?
Where you want, brother?
You see that two guy I check it for.
Nah, the money there.
So the money I see I count up with what? Food or something for?
Buy food for me youth there.
Man hungry can't kill them man. No man is relevant on the earth.
Yeah, come here, come from my bed.
Brother, come out of my yard there.
Say after time now. Irrelevant on the earth. Just give me two guys and I'm left the place. Simple as that, you know, brother.
Oh, yeah, give
Take
back
a
money.
sponge, me a sponge for my youth. Why get a send money come give me? I'm maybe get a foreign dog. I'm take a silent thing.
You can get a 5 bills for the money.
Yeah, me give you increase. Hey, money at least I'm a problem now dog. I'm take brother. Money man and stop like you here. Again.
The walkless boy and the white girl no want it.
Yeah, for that one.
Yeah, but I got supermarket.
Brother, tomorrow we go deal with that.
But me hungry, man.
I don't have no money, tomorrow that.
So where money the way you just go to them?
You ask me no question, brother. Tomorrow.
My boy that.
Palm brick. What me are you?
Was give my father money.
Palm brick. Palm brick.
Your account money, you know. Let me see, boy, do this scam up here, you know. Boy, have money for money account out, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, love that white girl, you know. What is a call me now? Man can't bother me, man. Oh. Yeah, talk about brother. What kind of money? Me buy money from you. Dog, you show me. Dog, a wrong number you have, man. Sorry. Go look up.
Boy, are wicked, eh? Hungry, you know, man.
Hey, boy. Yo. Hey, boy. No. Boy, up this house some money for your father. Can give you something for start him out.
Yo, who you?
Can't do anything, you know. Me can sprinkle a little powder, anything. Can go in my chest and fight anything. You make sure you can pay him back, you see me? What is what? When your father come out of your house and go up on yard, you see me? Because me make sure say when you get on the money.
That me have something to tell you now. Man, if you come 6 o'clock in the morning, you know.
Do that.
Do the scam.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Alright, brother.
Do the scam. Do the scam. Look here. Come see thing, you know. Walkless boy, do the scam. Come here, money go walkless boy and your white girl. Come on, Cash. Walkless boy with the white girl.
Hey, what? Come!
Come on, I need money. Cheer. Get cheer.
Brother, you don't have no virus.
No, sir, I'm clean, but...
You want still, you want.
Everything.